Kiara. Kiara, come here.
Kiara.
Kiara, will you be a good dog wearing this? You're going to be minus an eye tomorrow, you know. She looks cute because her little ears are kind of folded over. Oh. She wants another treat. Once upon a time, she had an eye.